What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over our friend ADA. Currently sitting at 113. We're up about 7.4 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 37.39 billion. 24-hour volume 1.78 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. We're going to start on the 1 hour time frame as we like to. So we broke out of our descending broadening wedge, which is bullish, guys. Your technical target is all the way up here at 161. We have an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. And here is your right shoulder. And we're already breaking the neckline. A bit of a slanted neckline here. Would come in right around this level. So we've broken the neckline. So you can take your measurement here from the bottom to your point of breakout, and it will take you all the way up past our break even. It will take you up to about 123. Now, if you just entered off of this buy zone at 106, if that was your first entry, then you're currently up on your trade here just about 3%. We are reaching the top section on the RSI as well as the money flow, and usually you're going to see some consolidation or a move back down, but we're just having the bullish cross, and we've had quite a significant sell-off. So I definitely think we could see a little bit of a breakout here. Hopefully, let's pop over to the 4 hour time frame. Let's open it up. All right, guys. So we can see here on the 4 hour, money has just flown really quickly back into our friend ADA, and we've already reached the top section. We had that bullish divergence. Sorry, guys. That line is pissing me off, and I can't quite grab it. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, guys, so we have a lower low. We're creating a higher low on the RSI, bullish divergence, as we mentioned in our last ADA video. And it signifies the bears are losing strength and we started to break out. We're back above the 20 EMA. Do watch the 55. Could act as resistance coming in at $1.15 for our friend ADA. Money flow top section as well as the RSI. We're just about halfway on the RSI, but it is bullish, guys. We have a bullish reversal pattern. We've broken out of our descending broadening wedge, and we are seeing a little bit of volume here. So that's exactly what you want to see for a reversal in the trend. But of course, you can come up and you can hit resistance and you can roll over. Really depends on that Fed news today. If it's positive, I do think we're going to break out. If it's negative, well, down we go. But we are holding this very strong level of support at $1. You can see these wicks, guys, and those wicks are signals of reversal, are signals of bearish weakness as the bulls push up the price. As you can see here, wick down, push up, wick down, push up, wick down, push up. And we just started to wick down, and we're just starting to push up a little bit. Check this out as well, guys. This is the Scotch RSI, absolutely in the floor. Check out the last time we were in the floor. Nice pump to the upside right here in the floor, pump to the upside right here in the floor, guys. This was just, see, this is what can happen. So usually it indicates you're going to see a pump to the upside, but sometimes with these indicators you come down and you consolidate just as you would in an uptrend, and then you drop further down. And in an uptrend you come up, you consolidate, and the RSI comes back down to a healthy range, and then you push back up to the upside. So it works both ways, guys. So you can come down and just consolidate and then break lower. It's a possibility, but there is a higher probability of a bounce back to the upside, as well as we are low on the money flow, as well as we're pretty low here on the RSI. So I want to pop ADA over to the weekly time frame. So we're here on the weekly, guys, and you can see these wicks down. Bears trying to push down the price, and the bulls are like, nope, I don't think so. Just as we did here, push back up right here, push back up right here. Here's a good example. We wick down, we push back up, we consolidate, we drop lower, and then we push back up. So that can always happen, guys. You can always just consolidate. But we are breaking away from the EMAs, so we could definitely see a nice push back up to the 55 EMA, coming in at $1.41 for ADA, which lines up with this level of resistance. If we lose $1, as I mentioned, guys, it's basically a free fall to our next level of support, coming in at 38 cents. So that's basically it for ADA. Just a little update here. If we do push up higher, just watch the 55 coming in at 115. Our break even is currently sitting at about $1.20, just above our second entry here at 119. If we can push above it, I always look to exit my trade at a 10 to 15, well, maybe 8 to 15% profit. And I watch my indicators on the 1 hour, the money flow and the RSI, to know when to take my exit. So if your entry was here at 106, You're currently up about 3-4% on your trade. Just keep an eye on the indicators, guys. Watch the 1 hour. We're up towards the top section, and that usually is where you consolidate or you see a little bit of pullback, and the money flow as well as in the top section. You can also look at the 4 hour. These are great time frames for short-term pumps and corrections, guys. And you can see the money flow pushed up to the top section. You can see right here, top section, we move back down. Right here as well. Just a little bit of a move back down, then we push higher. Right here as well, top section, we move back down. But sometimes what will happen is you'll push up to the top section, just a little bit of consolidation, and then you'll push higher, guys. That's basically it for ADA. If this were to be our true bottom, of course, that's not promised. You can take your Fibonacci from your swing high, your swing low, and you would target the 1.618 for your next impulsive wave. And that could take ADA all the way up to about $6.17, guys. That might be wishful thinking here on the weekly, as this is the previous all-time high. Let's actually go to the daily, and let's do a little bit of a smaller Fibonacci, because that would just be a complete reversal in the trend, which would be beautiful. But we'll go here, swing high, swing low. So if we can start to push up here and we get back above the golden ratio, your technical target is the 1.618, which is coming in at about 236. And you can see we do have quite a bit of resistance. Let me actually drop in a line here. Oh, what an absolute amateur. Come on, Jax, get off YouTube, you absolute bum. So we drop in a line here. You can see resistance in this level. Previous swing high, 1.618, coming in at 234. Definitely could reach that target. If we see Bitcoin break 38K, break 40K, really depends on that Fed news. If we get rejected, we roll over. Of course, it will take ADA with it. But we dollar cost average into our trade, guys. So we're bringing down our average price halfway each time. Currently, we're sitting at $1.20, equal amounts as a spot trader. And if you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. I have to open it. I had to shut down my computer for a bit because I had left it on for a few days and it started being a bit slow and glitchy. So we have over 1,500 members, guys, in our Discord. It's the price of a coffee, $350 USD. They're talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, losing on their short trades. It's a great place if you're a new trader, if you're an experienced trader, if you want to talk to like-minded traders as well. And then we have the DCA charts for many altcoin projects. We have VET, we have SOL, we have SAND, and they're updated regularly. And it's the price of a coffee. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I will see you